There's something about chasing a sunrise in the desert. You never quite know what you'll find. On this morning, we set out into the Tonto National Forest, one of the largest national forests in the United States, following the winding path of the Salt River, hoping to catch a glimpse of the wild horses that call this place home. It's always a bit of a gamble. Nature runs on its own schedule, not ours. And today, the horses stayed hidden. But out here, a missed sighting doesn't mean a missed moment. Rising above it all, the Superstition Mountains, a rugged range shaped by ancient volcanic forces and steeped in mystery. Legend has it, somewhere out there lies the lost Dutchman's gold mine, hidden for over a century and still drawing treasure hunters into this unforgiving terrain. Every ridge, every shadow feels like it's holding on to a story. As the first light crept over the horizon, the desert began to wake, painting the landscape in warm gold and soft shadows. Every ridge, every bend in the river, telling its own quiet story. And sometimes that's enough. We followed the river as it carved its way through the desert, letting the morning unfold around us until it finally opened up along the shores of Saguaro Lake. No horses this time, but no disappointment either. Because out here, it's not always about what you came to see. It's about what you experience along the way. If you enjoy cinematic drone footage, desert landscapes, and hidden history, consider subscribing for more aerial explorations across the American Southwest. Know of a great place I should explore? Leave me a comment. Thanks for watching.